scaffolding is the unsung hero of infrastructure projects. The scaffolding is a support system, a temporary structure which you see instead of bamboos and bullies, which were used in the past, to a modern modular steel structure around any infrastructure construction, taking place in and around us. Scaffolding is a temporary structure in the sense it doesn't remain as part of the construction. It only assists in managing construction and in helping people complete various jobs at the construction site. Having said that, we all know that it has been a very temporary structure, so not much focus of has been given to them. It is always being incurred as a cost, as an expense in any of the projects, but it is actually an investment which we are making, and how using effectively smart digital solutions we can ensure that a project becomes profitable by improving the timelines, by ensuring the safety methods, and by improving the productivity of any constructions. I am Pankaj S Sharma, CEO of Avanza Steel Private Limited. Our expertise, our history go way back 50 years back, when my grandfather started as a trading house. We got into scaffolding business, mainly manufacturing in the year 2012. And we are one of the leading manufacturer of scaffolding in eastern part of India, having a 1 lakh square feet dedicated facility to steel scaffolding on only. We have been a very traditional manufacturer for quite some time, but for the past couple of years, we have been using digital solutions to ensure that wherever our scaffolding is being used, they are being used in the most effective manner. There are a couple of things which digital transformation can bring about a change in usage of scaffolding materials. I'll talk about the top 3 points which we have been using and planning to use in the near future. Digital twins. Uh, it has always been a problem whereby 7 out of 10 customers coming to us ask for estimation of scaffolding. When they talk about estimation of scaffolding, they just provide a certain area, but usage of scaffolding depends on a lot. What is the thickness of the construction? What is the thickness of slab? How much area are you using? What is the ratio of the length versus the height of the structure? So a lot of parameters are being taken care of. Digital Twin is a platform which we have developed with the help of IIT Kharagpur. Few people who are completing their PhD from IIT Kharagpur, they are helping us simulate the scaffolding structure. When I say that, by that I mean, for example, there's a 10 tower story building where scaffolding needs to be used. Length is, for example, 10 meters, height is 20 meters. In the virtual simulation, they will create an exact structure mentioning our thickness of the material used, mentioning the length of the material used, and they can actually say and decide what is the right measurement of scaffolding which needs to be used, which enables that the safety is taken care of, productivity is in place, and efficient usage scaffolding takes place. I mean, they don't end up buying scaffolding more than they need. So that simulation is possible with the help of this digital twins, which we have used in a couple of projects, and the results have been outstanding. It also helps the customer to optimize the layouts of their structure. In the sense, a lot of time we have seen when we do a estimation, which is a more of a verbal estimation, the materials order are usually more or less, and the percentage is pretty high. They end up ordering 15 to 20% more material than they need. And when we talk about ordering less material, even if it's 5% less materials being ordered by them, their projects get stalled because erection is not complete, the work cannot start. So digital twins has actually been very instrumental in ensuring that the right material is being ordered, which saves money on for the construction company, as well as it is safe and durable because they actually get to see in digital simulation that yeah, these materials are optimized for their working site. Next, we talk about virtual estimation. Again, virtual estimation can also be used by taking data. Now, we cannot do much about it, but we have been asking our clients to measure data, to record data. For example, if they have done a work of 1,000 square feet in the past, they must be having records. They should be maintaining data and records to ensure how much material is being used to what capacity. What is the exact quantity in terms of pieces, in terms of thickness, in terms of sizes, what are they using? Now, when they get to study those patterns, they can actually estimate. Uh, this is not approximation, but a very accurate estimation of how much material they will be needing for this particular project. If it's in multiple, that also brings them a sense of relief that yeah, the material order will not be less, and of course it will not even overshoot their budget. So yeah, this actually eliminates the guesswork. Over procurement is not there, and obviously when you procure material in the right size, it ensures that the cash flow is maintained uh, when it comes to the side of the construction companies. Third, very quick one, smart safety sensors. Uh, we are working on it. We should be out with this in the next 3 months. Again, we are taking help of pals from IIT Kharagpur, whereby they are working on smart sensors which can be installed at construction sites, whereby they can monitor the load. For example, with the simulation, we can find out that this structure in scaffolding, first level, if you're working, the load is different. If you're working on the 10th level, the load is different. So this sensors can sense what height they're working and what is the optimum load capacity they can take care of. For example, if the load capacity is only 500 kgs, the moment they see that there have been additional people climbing up, it will trigger an alarm and alert the project manager then and there that yes, we need to focus on this area because the load stress has increased to what was permissible. So, uh, we have we have been able to monitor this with the help of very quick ones. Scaffolding has lately been a commodity industry. It's always a price war we have been fighting, but with the help of AI in the last few years, we have been able to capitalize on it, whereby it is saving money, it is ensuring the safe working environment for our workers, and at the same time making it easy for construction people to pre-plan their scaffolding requirements as and when needed. So this was the quick three parameters which I want to talk about using digital transformation in the scaffolding industry, which ensures that scaffolding is no more a cost, but is actually a profit center for all the construction companies.